Kinong shong shnong kithan khaput hapo kalama jong ka Henyo Trap Border Dispute Redressal Forum HBDRF kilapan bana ban omya shimbenta boycott pura habaro ki election bat berten ban penlong da kajinga ki persha yakara jong ka sarkar jela balle bom sut nyawi ki jingdawa jongki ban penbet no mardor ya ka kam yaka japut kablas lemba bat ka Assam ki nong shong shnong ka block 1 kila shim ya karai ha ka jinglang pat ba ka badang shen ban boycott ya baro ki election kata la ka de ka election karbi anglong autonomous council KAAC Assam lane ka election shiteng samoy sha ka MP lok sabha ka daw ban boycott ya kini ki election kalong ban penthik na ya ka jingpen bet ma mardor ki kam ya ka japut bat ka Assam ong working president ka knam uba Thomas Pasa habakran na ka benta ka HBDRF hadin ka jingalang kabalalong ha ka arpasaw trikber. Ula keno bagi beriu ki badan jinga day bat ki sengsan perthai kari National Party kila persyang banyat yalap election ha kisnong kaput ki bahap hapo uput usam ka Meghalaya ban pan vote bat ong kumta ngi kwa ban persya jore ki bakum kini ki jing persyang da kini ki beriu ki bakwa tangi ki jing mento shiman. Uba Thomas ula keno baka sarkar jela hapo ka jingalam jong menteri rangba Konrad ki sangma kelajit ban sangap menti halor kani kaman wat hapring ki jingai kentu ki bala bun sien ka jingdawa bah khmat e jung ki pa khaput kalong ban itho ikishnong bala panbana ne itho da ka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC ka ban panlong ikinong shong shnong bakinyo ikikot ki slai ki badan kam kawai ni kimat ba kongsan kabangila banjor ya ka sarkar kalong ban ithu ya baro kishnong bala ithu bat pen banada ka JHADC mentala bun banai khnang ba kini kishnong kinyo ya ka jingpen banaling ba ki BDO bat khnang bakin la ban apply ki kot ki slab phero pher ki balong kongsan ha ki ba kum kini kisingi ki ba menta ulaong kinong shong shnong ka Assam kirashim kabu ya ka jingbom la le AA ka jongi ong uba Thomas haba pun banaya ka ra ka HBDRF ban penlong ya ka jinga ki lada ka sarkar Meghalaya kam le AA halor ka ni ka kam ka forum kan sa shim ya ka ra halor ki jat jinga ki hadin ka jinga slok ha ki ni kindiat singi ki banwan bat ya ka ba on sa pentep ba ula penram
Site of the Henyo Trap Border Dispute Redressal Forum HBDRF, the chairman has come all the way from Block 1 to Shillong. Along with the other members, we have wanted to point out few points. You see, in the past many months now, the general meeting of all the residents of Block 1 has taken a resolution to boycott all the election, be it the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election, be it the Assam election, or be it the MP election. And the reason for boycotting the election is to ensure that the border dispute is settled at the earliest. But however, in this upcoming election of the Assam, we have seen that there are individuals who are politically affiliated with some political party, most probably they are national party. They are trying to encroach or go to the villages in the border area which falls under the Meghalaya to canvass for a particular political party, to insist on them to go for the election. So therefore, from our side, we wanted to oppose such attempt by individual who are looking for personal mileage from a political party. And from our side, we have also discussed today that we are very much discontent with the way that the state government is not addressing the key points that we have discussed when we met the CM. We have written multiple representation to the state government also, but the government has chosen to stay silent. And one of the most important points that we have insisted on the government is to recognize all the village that has been notified by the KHDC for the past many months now, so that these villages, after getting the notification through the BDO, they would be eligible to apply for various documents which are very much mandatory in today's time. But the government till date has not recognized these villages, and because of that, the residents of these villages are facing a lot of trouble. And because of this, the individual from the other side of the boundary from Assam are trying to take advantage on the helplessness of these people. Therefore, from our side today in a discussion, we have taken a decision that maybe we will go for agitation to protest on the slowness of the government to address this key issue. And on the type of agitation that we'll be taking on, we will have a thorough discussion in these few days, and we will inform accordingly.